Morning.
As you can see from those first few shots there, we're back out walking this morning in Northumberland. Yeah, it is breezy.
Breezy, isn't it?
Again, doing another all trails route. This time we're in a place called Haltwhistle, which we passed through on the train on our way to Carlisle a few weeks back. We thought that looks an interesting place.
Yeah.
So we decided to come and do a walk around the area. So this morning we're heading up to Featherstone Castle. It's about a 3-hour circular walk this morning.
It's
breezy, isn't it?
It is really breezy.
Really breezy.
Yeah. But hey, if we get walking, get warm.
Yeah.
Somebody didn't bring a jacket.
Oh, I didn't, did I?
Because it was warm at home.
Seems to be people walking along this road with their dogs off the lead.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a disused road or what. But there we go.
Maybe.
So we've just crossed the A69 there, and then the All Trails route says to go through there, but we're both wearing shorts today.
Yeah.
It's overgrown with stinging nettles.
Yeah.
So we're gonna just make our own path. I'm not getting stung. Not this morning.
No.
Not ever. That's a problem sometimes with walking this time of the year. You've got the footpaths marked on whichever app or map you're using, but unless they're well trodden, you often find that they're overgrown.
I'm sure we might be able to catch it up on this bit.
I'm sure we probably will do. We'll get there.
Yep. Got all day.
There.
No rush.
No rush. It's fantastic the way these dry stone walls are built. Look at them, they're almost built to perfection, aren't they?
I know. It's mad how they got them all smooth.
Yeah.
Put them on top. No concrete. And they're still standing.
No cement in there at all.
No.
It's literally the weight of itself holding it together. Absolute skill. So we're going to take a left here, just coming up, and
okay.
head on the road. It takes us to Alston,
Oh.
which is another fantastic little place. It's the highest market town in the UK. I'll drop a link to that video in so you can go and check that out if you want to. But that was a great weekend as well, wasn't it, Anna?
It was really good.
It's a really good weekend that there in Alston.
Oh, that's where we were on the train.
That's right,
Isn't
yeah.
it?
Been on a few trains.
And you can park overnight if you've got a motorhome in the station.
Yeah.
The gates get locked, but it's secure.
That's Bellister Castle over there. I'll try and get some drone shots of that later if we can.
Oh look, River Tyne Trail.
Something crawl on you.
No, it was my bead. River Tyne Trail.
Oh yeah. Daft as a Brush Cancer Patient Care Walk.
Hey sheep.
Start walking along the side of the River Tyne now. Come off the All Trails route, so it takes you up the main road. This is a bit more scenic, a bit quieter. Ella's absolutely loving the walk today.
She's in her element, isn't she?
She is, isn't she?
She loves being off the lead.
It's a lot easier to keep clean now she's had a haircut. A few boggy patches here, but it's to be expected after the rain that we've had.
Not that way.
Can't be a walker if you don't like mud.
Exactly.
That's where we've just walked through, look. Bellister estate.
It was a nice walk through.
It's a lovely little walk through, wasn't
Uh-huh.
it? Yeah, that's where we are now, look.
And where are we going?
So we're going to Featherstone. And then
back
maybe
round.
we could pick that path back up, round
Yes.
here.
It takes you back to Bellister Castle.
Bellister
and then we can
Castle.
walk back along that path.
Yeah, because I think the other route that we're supposed to be doing would be going this
Yeah.
way somewhere.
Nah, let's go that way.
Go that way.
Yay!
Alright then.
Never had sat navs back in the day, did we?
Never had
We
sat
just,
nav.
winged it.
Winged it.
Yeah.
You
So
just
let's do-
knew where you were going,
Yeah.
didn't you?
So let's just do that.
Let's just do that then.
Sorted.
You can always stay in one of the Pennine Way holiday cottages. Looks nice, but
Very nice, isn't it?
I'm not sure how much that would set you back.
No, a few pennies, I'm
Pennies.
sure.
That's a fantastic piece of architecture.
Absolutely beautiful.
I can't come over the other side because there's somebody down there who's actually sunbathing topless.
Being painted must be for how many babies they've got. Hey!
Bubba's in there, look.
Wow. Oh, oh, side, move away.
We've taken a slight detour.
Just a bit.
Probably shouldn't walk through here, but Anna's worst nightmare's on the other side of that wall, which is where the footpath is.
And they're staring.
And they're staring.
Just keep walking, don't look at them.
great views, isn't they?
We've seen some stunning sights today, haven't we?
Today. It's been really nice. The weather's been fantastic as well. And I think what we're stood on now is the old road that used to go into Haltwhistle. It's all been sealed off now, just used for pedestrian access. Before they built the bypass over there, look, the A69. It's interesting, isn't it?
It is interesting.
Come across these old roads and things that are now no longer used. I think this may have been the old A69, look. You still see the giveaway markings on the road there. And then it would have taken you down into Haltwhistle.
Interesting.
It is, isn't it?
Really? That's the way we went.
Yeah. So we cut across to our right on the way out on this walk through the fields.
Yep.
Over there.
Wow, you learn something new every day, don't you?
Well, that's us just coming back into Haltwhistle now. So we're going to go and get ourselves a light refreshment as we usually do. Nice beer garden in here that we've sat in before. But before we do that, we'll show you a little bit about Haltwhistle because it's got some history here as being the centre of Britain.
Yeah.
Very Roman town. Back into Haltwhistle now, and that there on our left is the Memorial Park Hospital here in Haltwhistle. Nice to see, isn't it?
It is.
Look at that.
Really nice.
Nice place to sit and enjoy and have a picnic in the gardens like them people over there are doing. A nice sunny day. Building here in Haltwhistle, Mechanics Institute for 1900. Right, so we're back in Haltwhistle. Just enjoyed a nice cold beer there. It's gone a bit cloudy, isn't it?
It's gone cold.
Yeah, it has gone a bit breezy.
Yeah.
But yeah, Haltwhistle. I can't speak now. I've only had one beer. Haltwhistle's the centre of Britain. So we're going to now go and stand on the very spot that is the centre
Come on then.
of Britain. Okay, so Anna's going to stand in the centre of Britain, the very centre of Britain. And then, rather than me telling you about Britain, I've got this fantastic little machine here that's going to tell you all about it. Anna?
Okay. Are you ready? I'm in the centre of Britain. That's mad,
How good's
isn't it?
that?
That's
Isn't it?
absolutely mad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this here, this gadget is going to tell us about it. So, what you have to do...
You have to pump it.
In progress.
Welcome to Haltwhistle. You're standing in the centre of Britain, in Haltwhistle's marketplace.
Which dates back to medieval times. So does the Centre Britain Hotel, which was once a Peel Tower. Mostly in Haltwhistle, one should look up at the tops of the buildings where a variety of the history is still.
Oh dear, I think I might have to pump some more.
There's so much to see in Haltwhistle. Haltwhistle's church dates from the 13th century and is usually open for visitors to look around.
That's
It
really
is
good.
good.
That's an interesting way of doing it. Yeah, it tells you there about the turbulent times. And that's obviously where we are in the marketplace.
Uh-huh.
You've got the railways, 13th century church there.
Yeah.
Many of the Bastilles are part of the fabric of the buildings around the marketplace. Marketplace dates back to the 13th century with King John granted a market charter in 1207.
Look at the signposts. North
Oh,
Orkney,
yeah.
Bonus Solway, Northumberland National Park. Where else is there?
Portland
Bill. Wall's End. That's cool.
Yeah, it's good that.
Yeah.
Then see the
Very good.
Centre of Britain Laundry. check out the manor house. Got a fantastic bar, do food, a nice beer garden out the back there. Here's the 13th century church. Unfortunately it's shut. It's not been able to go in and have a look around. Well, but that's the end of another great walk today, and we're bringing this video to an end here on Alston Arches, just outside Haltwhistle, which is obviously an old railway viaduct.
It's huge because when we drive past it, we see it so many times, but when we come onto it, it's quite big.
We pass it quite a lot, don't we, and say one day I'm going to get on there, one day I'm going to get on there. So
it was worth walking up to.
Perfect opportunity today to bring this video to an end here on Alston Arches.
Yeah.
I'm going to attempt to get the drone up, but it's a bit windy, but we'll see if that's successful.
Thanks again for watching.
Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah, we'll see you next time.
Remember, please like and subscribe. That would be awesome.
Would be. For now, bye guys.